Real-time rendering is changing the game for industries like gaming, animation, architecture, and virtual production. These tools let you see changes instantly. Today, we'll explore the best real-time rendering software available. First on the list is Unreal Engine. A powerhouse in gaming and film industries, Unreal Engine delivers stunningly realistic visuals thanks to its advanced lighting system Lumen and its high detail rendering with Nanite. It's free to use, making it accessible for both indie developers and major studios. Unity is another industry favorite, especially for AR, VR, and mobile development. With its flexible render pipelines, shader graph system, and Unity Reflect for architectural visualization, it's an excellent choice for interactive content creation. Architects and designers love Twinmotion for its intuitive, real-time visualization. It features smooth CAD imports, realistic environmental effects, and VR compatibility for immersive presentations. For independent creators, Blender's EV offers a powerful real-time rendering engine. With physically based rendering, post-processing effects like bloom and ambient occlusion, and unique grease pencil integration for 2D, 3D animation, it's a budget-friendly solution for animators and game developers. If you are in product design, KeyShot is a must-have. It focuses on photorealistic rendering with drag-and-drop materials and fast GPU-CPU acceleration, making it perfect for product visualization, automotive design, and marketing. Lumion is built for architects, offering a massive asset library, real-time live sync integration with CAD software, and stunning environmental effects that bring architectural projects to life. Which real-time rendering software do you use? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D design tips.